Let us discuss Plato's theory of the divided line or the theory of forms. Plato's theory of the divided line is an important philosophical concept presented in his work, The Republic. This theory serves as a model for understanding the levels of reality, knowledge, and cognition. It provides a framework for comprehending different degrees of understanding and awareness. Plato's theory of the divided line serves as a model for understanding the levels of reality from mere objects to concepts or forms. The theory provides the hierarchy of reality. The visible world or the world of senses on the lower levels, while the world of forms or ideas on the higher levels. In the theory of the divided line, Plato distinguished between opinion or doxa and true knowledge or episteme. Plato attributed opinion to Heraclitus, who theorized that there is a constant change since opinion is always changing. Knowledge is attributed to Parmenides, who theorized that there is permanence, as permanent statements are qualification to consider it as a knowledge. Plato posited that the physical world is a reflection of a higher realm of eternal and unchanging forms that represent the true essence of things. The sense experience of appearances, wherein these are taken as true reality, lies in the process of imagining. This is the lowest form of knowing, since it is in the stage that our mind does not know that it is a shadow or an image that is has confronted. Images are just imitation and reflection of what is real. In believing, we tend to feel a strong sense of sureness when we observe visible and tangible things. Seeing constitutes only believing, because even it is based on seeing, it is still on the stage of opinion. We believe the things that are known to us, the one that we sense. When a person moves to thinking, he moves from the visible world to the intelligible world, from the realm of opinion to the realm of knowledge. For Plato, thinking and reasoning from hypothesis gives us knowledge of truth. Scientific and mathematical objects are the best objects under the mode of this thought. In understanding, the synoptic view of reality implies with the unity of knowledge, procedures from critical analyzing, abstracting, and associating ideas. The forms are the immaterial and indestructible object under understanding. The theory of the divided line or the theory of forms has implications for education and philosophy. Plato believed that education should guide individuals from lower levels of understanding to higher levels of insight. It emphasizes the importance of seeking genuine understanding and not stopping at mere opinion or belief.